So we're here a bit early, as in 9 o'clock. So si Mike will check in na, pero we had to leave the luggage sa labas. Mike is checking in now, but it's too early to go inside the room. So later pa, after na lang ng Disneyland namin. So this is the look for today. Hindi pantay. Dead man na, sir. And Kea liked it daw. Kea, look, we're twinning. Show me your shirt without the camera so they can read it. What's that? Big sister. Mommy. This is mommy and
Daddy.
Daddy.
Disneyland has a surprise for you. They gave you this.
Okay. Says, happy birthday.
We're gonna get your gift. Thank you.
Shuttle bus going to the resort. Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland. Yay! For Eric and Erin. So we're just waiting. Actually, nawala si Mickey Mouse. Alam nyo ba, napakaswerte namin kasi dulo kami ng line. Sobrang init.
Nandito po kami sa Enchanted Kingdom, Hong Kong.
Okay, sorry. Are you the safety?
Ayan, natuwa na sa bubbles. Ayaw na umalis. It's a small world.
Another teacup.
When he was big.
What? How was that? Experience. 4D.
Cute naman ni Eric! Nanonood lang siya the whole time.
Erin, kumapit sa akin. Kinabahan.
Kinabahan.
Jungle River Cruise!
Jungle River Cruise! We're waiting here dun sa show ni Moana. Homecoming of Moana. Hi, Ate Sarah! Waiting naman to si Baby Boy. Waiting patiently naman si Science Baby Boy. Hindi ka mo din niya, Mina. Hindi ka mo din daw.
要出海啦！嚟啊，大家，我哋一齊舉手。So much fun if you're joining.
We're here at Toy Story Land. At in fairness, ang dami na naming rides na nasakyan.
Kasi lahat ng tao nasa Frozen.
Buti na lang 2 days kami dito. Okay, so here we are lining up to have a picture with either Jessie or Woody. So we'll wait.
I picked Jessie.
You pick Jessie. Hopefully it's Jessie. Let's see. Let's see. Hi, Jessie!
Video?
Hi! Slinky Dog Ride! Hello! So after our Slinky Dog, nakatulog ang twins. Look. So sila Daddy at Kea nag-parachute ride sa Toy Story Land. Kami ni Ate Sarah na dito sa Mystic Point. We wanted for the twins to sleep. Puntahan ko lang sila Daddy. Baka tapos na sila.
Scared?
No.
Is Daddy scared?
Yes, very scared. I'm a little scared.
I'm scared of heights.
I'm looking for Mike and Kea. I think di pa sila tapos.
How are you feeling?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, so next is the Mystic Manor kasi tulog pa yung twins.
And I love scary guys.
Love scary rides now. Let's see. Ito kami sa baby center. So, change namin sila ng damit, pati diapers. Breastfeed na namin sila bago kami umalis. Then after nito, dinner, and then fireworks. Don't cry na. Don't cry na. Don't cry na.
Oh no.
Okay. Let's go. Eating dinner na. Day 1. What is this, Daddy?
Butter chicken?
Mine is beef rendang.
Yahoo!
Oo, yan. The twins. Oh, sorry ka. Ay. We're here now at our hotel in Disneyland. It's here at Explorers Lodge. So, ganda siya. It's my first time here. Na-experience ko na yung Hollywood Hotel at saka yung Disneyland Hotel. So, first time ko dito.
Surprise!
Happy birthday.
Thank you. This is letter. Wish you. Happy birthday.
It says, wishing you a birthday filled with magical memories and years of happy days. Best wishes, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse sent you the letter.
I love it.
What?
It's like that.
Subscribe.